This video is about protein structure, and I guess I should be more specific and say protein three-dimensional structure. Okay, the reason we care about protein structure is because a protein structure will decide its function in the cell. So there are 4 levels to a protein structure, and they are, as you will guess it, primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. Yeah, I suck at spelling, so there should be an R here and there shouldn't be an R here. So imagine these little balls represent an amino acid. So I have here 5 pink amino acid, blue amino acid, and some orange amino acid. Well, I can stick these amino acids in any order I want to, so that would generate a lot of different type of protein. Now, a protein, essentially, it's just these amino acids sort of covalently bond together, okay? And I mean, a normal protein could have tens of hundreds of these amino acids. So the first order to how these amino acids are having structure is the primary structure. So you just have, like, let's say, a blue amino acid stick to 2 pink, 2 orange, and then you have this string. This string of amino acids stuck together, or polypeptide here, is a primary structure of a protein. This primary structure, if I were to make it into a sort of wrap it into like a snake, string it, roll it around like this, okay? This is a secondary structure of a alpha helix. Or I can have a beta sheet, I guess. Primary structure, and then fold it into a sheet. Now I have a beta sheet. So this is secondary structure. Now let's say if I take this beta sheet and I roll it up into a barrel of sort. There you go. Whew, barrel. Now I could use this protein as a channel, and this barrel of secondary structure folding up is a tertiary structure. I can take this, take a tertiary structure, let's say if I have another tertiary structure, which is a 3D structure, and I can stick them on each other, then I would have a quaternary structure of protein. So in summarize, primary structure is like a string of amino acid. So I'm gonna abbreviate amino acid as AA, okay? Secondary structure include 2 types of structure. You can have an alpha helix, or you can have a beta sheet alpha helix, look at it like this. Beta sheet, look at it like this. Then tertiary structure is secondary structure all fold up, so it's that. So this is the one protein with a bunch of alpha helix, and then you can have another protein with a bunch of beta sheet. And quaternary structure is a bunch of these tertiary structures stick together. So like you can have one subunit over here, another one over here, another one over here, another one over here. 4 of them. Maybe even like a metal in the middle, for example. Now the thing that we have got to remember is what kind of chemical bond do we have that stick these things together? Well, so primary structure, pretty much this is the only bond you got between the amino acid. So this is a covalent bond, and a specific name for this covalent bond is a peptide bond. Secondary structure, because you are having these sort of interaction between the amino acid from sort of the different part of the string. So the bond that put together the alpha helix and beta sheet are the hydrogen bond. And you probably remember these from intermolecular force units. That's between the oxygen or nitrogen or fluorine and the hydrogen that is connected to an oxygen in another molecule. Tertiary structure is really these interactions. There's so many types of interaction. Yes, look at a picture. You could have a hydrogen bond, a hydrophobic interaction, a disulfide bridge, which is between two sulfur, forming a covalent bond between each other. You could have an ionic bond or even a peptide bond.